My name's Julia McGhee. I'm a dance artist who's based up in the Scottish Highlands, and I've been sponsored by the British Council and by the Workroom to come to Comping 2025 in Lyon. I've signed up for a workshop series with Nadia Beugre, which I think is going to be really quite a unique experience. I'm also really looking forward to meeting all of the other artists, hearing about their practice and their work and what they create. I love working with different materials, and I feel like I'm rediscovering this love for costume making that I had when I was a really young child, actually, when I was in primary school. One of the things that Nadia did was using bin liners. Everyone had 40 seconds to make their own costume. Beautiful costumes made from something that we throw rubbish into. I became very invested in seeing people succeed. And I think that's got something to do with what happens in the mind of the audience member, just as much as what the performer is giving. I've been thinking a bit about the benefits in terms of international working. If I go and do some training in Scotland, it's usually for 2 or 3 days at maximum. And each time I've come to France, it's been at least a week. There's a lot of change happens within that time, experimenting, creating with new people, as well as that having quite a really strong influence on my practice and my work. It's also changing me as a person. I'm having to operate in a different way when I'm in a totally different place, when I'm speaking a different language. And I really enjoy that. I hadn't been expecting to be making dough, as in bread dough. A really exciting way of working with materials that I'd never thought of doing before in terms of the potential for making performance. I head back to Edinburgh this evening, and then I'll make my way back up north to the Highlands. I'm really looking forward to developing a piece of work which is called Goldie Looking Blanket, that involves movement in contact with a gold-coloured space blanket. I think from having worked this week with Nadia using different materials, I'm really excited about pushing this piece of work, both in terms of ideas around set design and costume and movement and choreography. A big thank you to British Council France and to the Workroom. It's been a fantastic experience, and I'm already looking forward to my next trip to France.